Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone screen would not swipe left or right? If you are facing such issue, swiping problem, then here are the fixes. First, you can see this area is for search. So the first workaround to fix this issue is force restart your iPhone. First press volume up, then volume down, and press home button and until Apple logo appear on your screen. In recently phone iPhone 15 or above, conjointly press home button and volume up button until Apple logo appear on your screen. Wait for some times and check whether your swiping issue of your iPhone resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Unlock your phone, and as you can see on screen, a search icon at the bottom of your screen, and sometimes this search hampered or prevent to swiping up your phone. So first remove this search from home button. To do so, go to settings and here look for home screen. Home screen and app library, tap on it and here search. So on home screen, disable this feature. Now you can easily swipe left or right your phone from this space also. You can use this space to swipe up your phone left or right from here. The next one is tap on settings and tap on general. Go to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode and finally choose reset all settings. Your phone swipe up left or right issue definitely resolved.